Hello my students, today we will complete Primary 3 second term. Okay? Today we have lessons 64 and 65 about time, about relation between multiplication and division, and properties of multiplication. Okay? We will learn how to read the time and what is the relation between multiplication and division and the properties of multiplication. Please focus with me. At first, time. We know that 1 hour equal 60 minutes and half hour equal 30 minutes and a quarter hour equal 15 minutes. Okay? Again, 1 hour equal 60 minutes, half hour equal 30 minutes, and a quarter hour equal 15 minutes. Okay, look at me at this clock. We know that 12 meaning 0. Okay, and 1 meaning 5 minutes. 1 meaning how many minutes? Excellent, 5 minutes. And 2 meaning 10 minutes. 2 meaning how many minutes? Excellent, 10 minutes. If you forget it, you will multiply. 2 multiply 5 equal 10. Okay, 3 equal how many minutes? 3 equal 15 minutes. And if you forget, you say 3 multiply 5 equal 15. And 4 equal how many minutes? Equal 20 minutes. And if you forget, you say 4 multiply 5 equal 20. Okay? If you forget any number equal how many minutes, you multiply by 5. So 1 equal how many minutes again? Excellent, 5 minutes. 2 equal how many minutes? 10 minutes. 3, 15, 4, 20. Excellent. 5 multiply 5. Excellent. 25. 6, 30 minutes. 7, 35. 8, 40 minutes. 9, 45. 10, 50. 11, 55. And 12 meaning 60 minutes. So 1 hour equal 60 minutes. This easy? Okay. And between each two numbers, we have 5 minutes. Between 12 and 1, we have 5 minutes. Each small line meaning 1 minute. So between 12 and 1, count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1 equal how many minutes? Excellent, 5. Between 1 and 2, we have 5 minutes. Count with me after 5, 6, and this small line meaning 7, 8, 9, and 2 meaning 10 minutes. And between 2 and 3, we have 5 minutes. Count with me after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 3 equal 15 minutes. 3 multiply 5. And between 3 and 4, we have 5 minutes. Count with me at the small line. After 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 4 equal 20 minutes. And so on. Okay? Between each two numbers, we have 5 minutes. Between each two numbers, we have 5 minutes. Is this easy how to read the time? Okay. Now, some exercise. Write the time. Who can read the time and write it? Okay. At first, the first one. Our hand on what? Who can say? We know that small hour or short hand meaning our hand. So in here, short hand on what? Excellent, on 1. So we will write in here 1. And long hand meaning minute hand. Long hand on what? Who can say? Excellent, on 3. We write 3? No. 3 meaning 15 minutes. Excellent. So, time now 1 and 15 minutes. In the first one. Is this easy? Okay, number 2. Where the hour hand, the short hand. Excellent. The short hand between 8 and 9. So we will write 8 or 9. Who can say? Excellent. We will write 8. Small number. And the minute hand on 6. So what is the time now? Excellent. 6 multiply 5 equal 30. So time 8 and 30 minutes. Is this easy? Okay, the third one. Where is the hour hand? Excellent. The short hand on 7. So we will write in here 7. And where is the long hand, the minute hand? The minute hand between 2 and 3. So the minute hand between 2 meaning how many minutes? 2 by 5. Excellent. Equal 10. And 3 equal how many minutes? Excellent. 15. So our hand on 7 and the minute hand between 10 and 15. Okay, count with me. After 10, this short line meaning 11 and this equal 12. So time is 7 and 12 minutes. 7 and 12 minutes. Is this easy? You understand how to write the time? Okay, this is the first part. Now, we will learn relation between multiplication and division. We have relation between multiplication and division. If we have 3 numbers like it, 3, 10, and 30, and 2, 8, 16, we have relation between them. If we multiply 2 small numbers, if we multiply 3, multiply 10, equal what? Who can say? Excellent. Equal 30. So 3 multiply 10 equal 30. And if we start by 10, we can write 10 multiply 3 equal what? Who can say? Excellent. Equal 30. So we can start by 3 or we can start by 10. 3 multiply 10 equals 30 and 10 multiply 3 equals 30. Okay, if you start by the greatest number 30 divided by, if we write in here 10, the result will be what? Who can say? Excellent. 3, because 3 multiply 10 equals 30. And if you start by 30 divided by 3, the result will be 10. So, relation between multiplication and division, if you multiply 2 small number, you will get the greatest one. Is this easy? Okay, who can write number 2? Try to write it. Excellent. If you say 2 multiply 8 equals 16, and 8 multiply 2 equals 16. And if you start by the greatest number 16, 16 divided by 2 equal 8, and 16 divided by 8 equal 2. I hope you understand relation between multiplication and division. Now, some exercise. Complete the fact family for the numbers. If you know that 5 multiply 6 equals 30, you can complete it. 30 divided by what equal what? And 30 divided by what equal what? Okay, try to solve with me. If you write at the first one 5 in here, 30 divided by 5 equal what? Excellent. This meaning 5 multiply what equals 30? Excellent. 5 multiply 6 equals 30. And if you write in here 6, 30 divided by 6, meaning 6 multiply what equals 30? 6 multiply 5. This is called the fact family. 5 multiply 6 equal 30. You can write 30 divided by any one, give me the other one. Okay, in here, another exercise. Complete with me. 7 multiply 8. 7 multiply 8 equal what? Who can say? Excellent. 7 multiply 8 equal 56. Completed. 56 divided by 8 equal what? Excellent. Equal 7. And so on. Okay, now properties of multiplication. We have 3 properties of multiplication. At first, commutative property. Say with me, commutative property. Commutative property. Number 2, collocation property or grouping property. Number 3, distributive property. Distributive property. Number 1, commutative property. We use it when we want to start by any number. In commutative property, we can start by any number. If you write 4 multiply 7 equal, we can write 7 multiply 4. If you write 3 multiply 5, who can say equal what? Excellent, we can start by 5. 5 multiply 3. So 4 multiply 7 equals 7 multiply 4. 3 multiply 5 equals 5 multiply 3. 2 multiply 1 equals 1 multiply 2. And so on. Is this easy? Commutative property. Okay, number 2, grouping property. In here we can multiply 3 numbers. If we have 3 numbers like it, 3 and 4 and 2, we can multiply 3 numbers. By take any one, like 3, multiply, open 2 brackets, and put 4 multiply 2. At first, 4 multiply 2 equal what? Who can say? Excellent, equal 8. So 3 multiply 8 equal what? Excellent, equal 24. So we use it when we want to multiply 3 numbers. We use grouping property. Number 3, distributive property. We use distributive property when we want to multiply 2 numbers, one of them greater than 10. Like what? If we want to multiply 4 multiply 13. Master, we keep timetable 4, but up to 4 multiply 10 equal 40. But 4 multiply 13 equal what? So, in here we use distributive property. In here, we will write 4 multiply and 13 equal 10 plus what? Who can say? Excellent. 10 plus 3 equals 13. So, we write at first 4 multiply 10 plus, we take 4 again, multiply 3. This is called distributive property. 4 multiply 10 equal 40 plus 4 multiply 3 equal 12. So 40 plus 12. 0 plus 2 equal 2. And 4 plus 1 equal 5. So 4 multiply 13 equal 52. This is called distributive property. We use it if we want to multiply 2 numbers, one of them greater than 10. Okay. Now, solve with me this exercise. Try to solve. At first, 24 divided by 8. Who can say? 24 divided by 8 equal what? This meaning 8 multiply what? Equal 24. Excellent. 8 multiply 3. So we write in here 3. Is this easy? Okay, number 2. 4 multiply 3 multiply 5. In here, we must use grouping property when we multiply 3 numbers. We can start by any number. We can start by 5 multiply, open 2 brackets, and put in here 4 multiply 3. Okay, at first 4 multiply 3 equal what? Excellent. 4 multiply 3 equal 12. So 5 multiply 12 equal what? Excellent. Equal 60. You can start by any number. Okay, the last one, 5 multiply 14. We use it if we want to multiply two numbers, one of them greater than 10. This is called what we can say? Excellent. Distributive property. So we put 5 multiply 14 equal, excellent, 10 plus 4. And we multiply 5 multiply 10 at first, plus 5 again multiply 4 equal 5 multiply 10 equal what? Excellent, equal 50, plus 5 multiply 4 equal, excellent, 20. Find the sum. 0 plus 0 equal 0, and 5 plus 2 equal 7. So 5 multiply 14 equal 70. I hope you understand it, and thank you for listening. Goodbye.